Heidi ho! Right, today I've got a Japanese coin for you. 10 yen. 10 yen. Quite pretty. I quite like the Japanese coins. I think I've only done one or two because I can't really seem to find them. But it's nice, isn't it? So it's quite a small coin. So I'm going to use quite a small punch. We'll go with the 3/8 punch. Three-eighths punch. Make sure I've got the right one. No. Yes. Right. So first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. And for that, we use this device. This is self-centering. Not cheap, but very good. I tried a cheap one. It lasted me about 5 minutes. It's absolute crap. Right, let's go over to the one and only Big Bertha. You got to put that in, wouldn't it, as well? Right. Hope everybody's doing well. Right. So if you're from Japan and you're looking for a nice ring, I've got one for you sitting right here. I can adjust the size as well. So first of all, we want to use Christy burr here, the deburring tool, to clean up them edges. That ain't too bad. There you go. On 10 yen. Let's warm it up a bit. Just a little bit. Right. Dry it off a bit. This looks like mostly copper. Hey copper, you won't take me alive, copper. Right, I think we're going to go oh, this is quite nice as well. I think we'll go with this side. But then again, why not have these Japanese leathers on? Yeah, okay, let's go for this. Sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down. This is a 17-degree folding die. And we go over to our one and only Big Red. It's a one-ton arbor press. You can get these just about anywhere. Right, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, butter. how far can I go? I can go a lot further than that, I think. I don't want to split the ring. Or I don't want it to go all the way through. Otherwise you ruin it. That's good. Yeah, perfect. Right. There she is, Sandy, looking good as ever. Oh, this is very thin as well. This might not work. It might work. Let's give it a go. I split a ring a few days ago. It was a St. Petersburg token, so you could ride the tram or the underground or whatever it was. God knows what it's made of though. It's crap. What would you expect? Right. Let's put the kitchen on. Go over to Spike. Will it fit? Yes, it will. Please don't split. Please don't split. Very soft as well. I don't want to heat it up anymore, otherwise it's soft as butter. But I want to get that bow out of it. See that bow? Focus. I want to get that bow out of it. So if you're from Japan and you're looking for a nice little coin ring, I've got one for you. Hopefully. Let's not get too far carried away, because this could easily go sad on me. This is quite a thin coin, but I think... God, focus, man. For God's sake, sort your life out. Why is it doing this to me today? Some days it's great. Another days it's saying, no, I'm not going to do it today for you. Let's go try a bit more. Oh, suits you, sir. I think that's enough. I'm trying to push me luck. Right, this is the bottom end of Spike. I'll just change these over. It's going to have to be that one. Make sure it's nice and level. Yeah, that's pretty good. I just want to straighten the walls up a bit. But we don't want to go crazy. You drive me crazy. Why isn't this focusing today? No, it needs a bit more. If you could do me a big favour, hit the like button. There's a little subscribe button down here, sort of there somewhere. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you're notified every time I upload a video. This doesn't want to focus today, but it's looking rather good. Trust me. Would you buy a second-hand car from me? I try to be honest. Now look at that, that's better. There's a little bit of an edge there, we want to rip that out. I think I'll polish this one. I don't think it needs Kate Bush on it, it just needs some polish. Okay, that's good. Right, what we've got? We've got Felton John in there already, so that's good. Bit of polish. I'm impressed with this polish, I must admit. But there you go, I put a little bit too much on there, as usual. Perfect. Right. Right. Clean off the mingers. Let's see what we got. Yep. Pretty good. Yeah, it's copper. Now my favourite cloth. Why I have a favourite cloth, I don't know. It's probably quite a sad thing to say, really, isn't it? I've got a favourite cloth. That's come up quite nice. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads in there besides rings. There's bracelets, cufflinks, earrings, toe rings, pendants. If you can think of anything else I could make out of a coin, let me know. I'll give it a go for you. There you go, one Japanese, 10 yen. That's why I used a kitchen roll on the inside. You know, you've got some nice design on the inside, but at least you can see it's Japanese from the Japanese symbols or letters. But yeah, nice. What we got? What we got is my EU measuring stick. Don't know. We'll have to go to the Yankee Doodle one. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size just over 8 3/4. It's nearly a size 9. Oh, it is a size 9. No, it's not. It's nearly a size 9. It is a size 9. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It is what it is. I can make it larger for you. I can make it smaller for you. And it fits this finger absolutely perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And God willing, if we're all still here, I'll see you tomorrow. So bye-bye.